In this beginner video series, I will teach you how to meditate and breathe properly to help you relax and let go of stress, anxiety, and other negative emotions. Subscribe to not miss the new video from the series. Day 1. First Steps. Hello and welcome to Dopamine. Meditation can be the sharpening of the mind on any object, and also a tool that allows us to explore our own nature and everything around us. It inspires us to open our eyes and become more aware. And when we become more aware and learn the tools and techniques of self-regulation and calming, we begin to sleep better, enjoy life more, cope with anxiety more easily, and also learn how to maintain better relationships with ourselves and with others. It can be a little hard at first and even feel weird. But just like with all the new habits we want to develop, if you set a goal to meditate for a few days or even a whole week, you will begin to understand the beauty of this time and even look forward to your daily practice. So, with that intention, let's start our practice. The only thing you need to do is sit on a comfortable chair, sofa, or rug. At the same time, take the most comfortable position. Try to find a quiet place for this and leave everything for at least 5 minutes. Now, feel yourself sitting in that comfortable position. You can close your eyes or leave them open and just gently focus on any stable point. Relax your back in this position. Relax your feet, hips. Feel how you give more and more body weight to the force of gravity of the earth. With each exhalation, more and more. Now take a nice deep breath in and a soft, relaxed breath out. Once again, a long breath in, and as you exhale, feel your arms, legs, and hips become heavy. And another long, deep breath in, and relaxed breath out. Now, bring your attention to your breath. Feel the natural flow of your breath. Watch it. What part of your body do you feel breathing the most? Where exactly do you feel your breath flow? Maybe in the nostrils? or at the back of the throat, in the chest, or maybe in the stomach. Just mark it for yourself. At that point in the body, where you feel the impact and waves of your breath, what kind of sensations are you seeing? Maybe it's an extension, reduction, stretching, or maybe even stiffness. Continue to observe each inhalation and each exhalation. Observe the rhythm, depth, and flow of your breath at every moment. Let your breath flow naturally without trying to change anything. How do inhaling and exhaling affect your body? How do they relax it? Just watch. Feel how every inhalation is a little refreshing, and each exhalation brings relaxation. And now you can gently open your eyes if you closed them. And if you kept your eyes open, you can just start slowly looking at different objects around you. subscribe to the channel, and in the comments, please share with me what is the hardest part of meditation for you. Thank you for the practice. I am so proud of you, and I hope to see you soon.